So this is number 4 on the EOC Math 3 practice test. Consider the function f of x equals 3x squared plus 4 on the domain of 0 to infinity. So this is basically saying on the positive numbers. Okay, we're going to look at the positive domain here. All right, so what is the inverse of f of x? So we know that we can say y equals 3x squared plus 4. And to find the inverse, we switch the x and y. So we're going to have x equals 3y squared plus 4. And then we solve by getting y by itself. So the first thing we need to do is subtract 4. And we have x minus 4 equals 3y squared. And then you divide by 3. And x minus 4 divided by 3 equals y squared. And because the last thing we do is take the square root, that means everything is under the square root. So we're going to have f inverse of x equals the square root of x minus 4 over 3. If you look over here, we're going to find the square root of x minus 4 over 3 is p.